We got another verydice prize. It's like Christmas in September. Ooh, I've been waiting on this. It's just what I've been waiting for. If y'all don't know, verydice is where you can get on there and get rolls. You can either purchase the rolls, you get free rolls every day, as well as you can invite your friends and they'll give you bonus rolls for everyone who signs up and plays. And you can do surveys. There's so many ways you can get rolls. And look at our brand new crock pot. What? Y'all can use my referral code, which is down below. Y'all have a blessed day. And let me know what y'all have gotten on verydice recently. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye.